Attention investors, home builders, and land enthusiasts. Don't miss your chance to own a historical 178-acre working farm in Ohio County, West Virginia, formerly known as the Cox Farm, located at 136 Grimes Ridge Road in Bethany, West Virginia. This expansive property will be sold at auction on Tuesday, October 15th, with the bidding beginning to close at 7 p.m. The farm features great potential building sites for your dream home, tillable acreage, a 2-story bank dairy barn, multiple outbuildings, an abundance of wildlife, including a pond. Whether you're interested in purchasing the farm as a whole or in parcels, this online auction is your opportunity to own a piece of West Virginia's agricultural heritage. This is a rare chance to acquire prime developable real estate just outside the town of West Liberty. Don't miss your chance.